JJ doing?
Taking a nap.
And what else is he doing? What else is JJ doing? What's JJ doing?
He's taking a nap.
Really? Is he having lunch?
Mama, you gotta stay awake, honey.
What's that? It's Julius.
It's Julius. And what's Julius doing? What's he eating?
Oh, the gunners.
What's Julius eating? Is he having lunch?
Yes.
And what else is he doing?
Eating.
He's eating, and what else?
Eating.
And
Having lunch. Cookies.
he's having cookies, and what else is he doing?
He's taking a nap.
And he's taking a nap.
Closing the eyes.
He's closing his eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah. How can he be
JJ.
eating lunch and closing his eyes? Huh?
Baby,
He's tired.
baby,
Tired.
Jay, honey, JJ,
JJ, wake up.
Julius, Julius, open your eyes, honey. Jay, JJ,
JJ.
Julius, JJ,
What's he doing?
Taking a nap.
He's taking a nap.
Julius.
Having eating.
Taking a nap while he's eating.
Again, Mommy.
Night night, Julius.
I like Julius.